Hey guys, so I was just preparing for another stream, and I was looking to integrate Wwise audio files into Unity, and I figured, yeah, while I'm doing this, I might as well do a tutorial and just upload a little how-to because it's helped me. I mean, people are looking through these all the time. I'm always looking for new videos and new ways to do things, and I found a couple cool tricks to try when you're implementing Wwise audio into Unity. So what you want to do, we could do let's just do a new. We could do like a 3D. We'll just call it new tut vid. I'm gonna put up all let's just put it in our modding projects folder. Nothing here. We're gonna create that. Yeah, we were working on Baldi's basics and remastering the sound there, so I figured, hey, if we can do some Wwise audio layering in there, make it sound look really cool, or yeah, sound really cool, have that variety, those randomizations, then why not? So we'll just wait for this to load, probably cut here. Okay, so once you have the Unity open, basically you can just close that out. You already have it. It's going to show up in your your folder. You are going to want to launch Wwise Launcher, and then you'll want to go to Unity because they kind of go hand in hand anyway. If you don't have Wwise, download it. Same thing with Unity. So now new tut vid, you see we named it that. It's there. And so what you're going to do is integrate the video. You're going to go to latest is fine. You can do the recommended. It'll naturally have like Windows and Mac OS already done, but if you want to do something else like Linux or Windows Store app, Android, anything like that, that's free. Free game. You could just leave this the same. You can make a project path, which, yeah, if you want to create a new one or whatever. Yeah, just stick to the recommended, that's fine. But yeah, make sure the file locations are where you want. And then doesn't really matter. Sometimes I guess the integrate thing is finicky. I don't know. Click that. Wait for it to load. It's not weird and finicky at all. It works all the time, the same way. Even if you unclick and reclick the same things and you get a different pop-up, that's totally normal. That's how it goes. So we're waiting for this to load. Just gonna load up. It'll apply the operation. You see the open and Wwise here. That'll come up, and once it's done, it's always this last little stretch that it just, the anticipation. It's like with bated breath. We're just waiting. We're always waiting. We're always waiting for Wwise, especially game development. We're always waiting for something, right? Fuck! So you open the log,